How to save an Instagram post as draft. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save an Instagram post as draft. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the plus button which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here once you're inside this section, what you can do is you can just tap on post option at the bottom of the screen. And now here once you're done with that, what you can do is you can just choose the photo or video that you want to add as a post. So here just select your media, and now here once you're done with it, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next section, you can make any edit of the post that you want. And now here once you're done with it, you can just tap on next again. And now here, instead of sharing the post, what you can do is you can just tap on save draft option, which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here once you tap on it, the post will be saved on draft. And that's it. That's how you can save Instagram post as draft. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.